Okay, Mr. Gazda here. This is Weather Notes 60. Thank you to Kayla Walsh who lent me her notes. They're very neatly copied. So here you go. Fill it in as you need it. Hit pause, fill in what you need, and we're going to go through it. Here we go. Leave that blank. That's okay. Okay. This, please notice, B is here, A is there, C is there, D is there. It is a little hard to see. But temperature gradient, change in field value divided by distance. This is the calculation. We did this in class. Make sure you know how to do that. Know how to do this on the reference table, page 13. We did this in class as well. Isobars connect points of equal air pressure. These are also air pressure. These are all in millibars. This is a high pressure, and this would be low pressure. Numbers are lower. You have fastest wind here, where the lines are closest together. You have a higher pressure gradient, creating faster winds. Here and out here, where they're farther apart, you have the lowest wind, lowest pressure gradient. High to low air pressure. This is called a wind vane. It tells wind direction. The spinning cups, it's called an anemometer. It measures wind speed. This is an important page. Low pressure. Notice how the numbers go down. It's low pressure in the center. Winds curve in like this. They go inward and counterclockwise. Wind always blows from high to low. And then low pressure causes lousy weather. By that means precipitation and clouds. A high pressure, where it's higher on the inside, air will, on the surface, will flow outward, and it gets curved clockwise. That's key. These curves are very key. And high pressure is happy weather, meaning clear with few clouds, no precipitation. Phrase to remember that the clock is high, the counter is low, meaning that high pressure goes clockwise, and and low pressure goes counterclockwise is how the wind's curved. And that means like the clock is high on the wall in a room, and the counter is lower than the clock. That's what that means. So, but wind blows from high to low. That is very important. These things are important. Sorry, that's spelled wrong. Evaporation is a cooling process. Do your best to try to do these. We did these in class, but she did not fill it in. This is a very important page. This whole page describes how rising air forms clouds. Know this page. It's the basics of, this is how clouds form. This is it, all on this one page. This is a review of that. Dew point, temperature to which air must be cooled in order to become saturated. Try to do these on the reference table. These are the correct answers. Make sure there's a bunch of station models on it. Kind of skip that. This is important though. Okay, it's no 60. I'm Mr. Gazda. Thank you, Kayla Walsh.